And he did line up all the 16s.
Oh, it's a belly. It's a belly. Hey, what's wrong with the level you've got?
That's a little bit ridiculous. Just a bit, maybe. Wait a minute.
We're gonna have to count up all the L brackets from this project too. First of the project. Oh, here it comes. The big reveal. Not a seam.
Wow.
What?
Wow.
I was confident that that was a seam. Confident.
Hot Rob. 100%. Or as we like to say in our circles, Hundo P. Hundo P. Ultimate structural. Ta-da! With the others.
With the others.
We have so many spare 4x4s now.
It might help hold something up.
Are you still on?
Yep.
How many are we on this part of the parachute?
12. Oh.
13.
I don't
know if that says something. Uh-huh. 21 and a half.
It's just caught on that side.
Some fucking reason it didn't.
It's beautiful.
It is.
There, that file's right there. The garbage file that ends up being insanely useful.
So it's small.
Let's go see.
I wonder if I should probably ask for a good proper thing on there.
It actually does look brighter.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Soon this will be a window. Well, made ourselves a chair. The ultimate in comfort.
It's quite nice.
So thankful for the generator. We were running these saws all day, making trim, cutting trim to size, so it was just like a lifesaver. But because we were running the saw all day, our audio is for the most part not the best quality because you can just hear it going in the background. So for that reason, you're getting a whole bunch of YouTube-friendly music. So this is the north wall of the shack. You're only going to see us working on the north and west walls in this video, but everything we did to this north wall was also done to the south wall, which is the wall with the really big window that we installed back in the spring. For the sake of not making this video too boring, I opted to leave out the whole south side since it was literally just more of the same. More tuck tape, more trim, more lag bolts, more L brackets. We weren't able to get to the east wall on this trip, but I'll talk more about that on our next video, which is phase 2 of this project. So let's get back to her. That's enough overdubs. See how the corner's good here? Well, then it becomes 2 corners up here because he cut his plywood short. So we're gonna fill this in so that we can have a nice tidy corner, just like it is down here.
Plywood that we had a whole bunch of it. I don't think we used.
No, I didn't throw it away. It's literally just around the corner. That piece right there?
No. The piece we used for the shims. All that. We cut it all right here.
Oh, I didn't throw any of it away. Oh, I know where it is. It's in the VCR slot.
Oh, nice. It's a good spot. We're gonna hide so much stuff. Duct tape me. Yeah, I think in the back. In the bin beside you.
Ooh, stupid trip hazards.
Yeah, we should fix that.
We really need to fix those.
The problem is there's too many different wood depths and pots and
yeah, the rest of the deck is 2x6s. This is just deck board. Wild. not installed yet, but that's what we're going for. That's how many L brackets for this project. 22, 23, 24, 25 L brackets for this project. Remove.